Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start inside Overwatch on your Switch. Press plus or to pause and jump straight into options. You want the Controls tab, it's the controller icon, because that's where input toggles live. Once there, scan the list for motion controls or gyro aim. This is the first actionable switch. Make sure your Joy-Con or Pro controller is connected and recognized. If the game doesn't show controller inputs, reconnect then reopen options so the settings load correctly. Next, you move through the controls submenus for each profile, hero, default, or custom binds, because motion can be set per profile. Once you locate motion controls or gyro aim, select it to reveal on and off. Choose off. If you use multiple profiles, repeat this for each one so motion is truly disabled. After switching, confirm by checking both docked and handheld modes, since the Switch handles gyro differently when docked versus in handheld. Finally, save your changes and exit options so Overwatch writes the new control state. You should immediately test in the training range or a quick custom match to verify motion aiming is gone. Make a gentle stick movement to confirm only stick input affects your aim. If motion remains, restart the game and, if needed, recalibrate or reconnect your Joy-Con/Pro controller. One key troubleshooting tip: toggle motion controls off, restart the console, and recheck. That fixes most persistent setting errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.